Let's talk about ums and ahs and how to get them out of your videos. In speaking, this is called verbal fillers. So it sounds like, well, you know, like, many of them. And what they're supposed to do is fill the sound to indicate to the other speakers, if you're in a conversation, that you're not done talking or you're thinking. So we've developed this habit of saying which is communicating, I'm thinking, so don't speak back yet. It also creates the belief or the idea that the person doesn't maybe really know what they're talking about. It takes away from the credibility. So here's how you replace it. Practice the ums and ahs by watching your video and listening to yourself and becoming more aware. Practice privately saying and ah even more than you normally would to sort of heighten your sensitivity to that sensation and really improve your groundedness and your self-trust through mindfulness practices like meditation and journal, and trust that the words are coming.